By 2019, most of Facebook will be video. And we know that website visitors spend more than 88% more time on a website that uses video. So how many of the 101 video uses do you have working for you right now? There's a huge opportunity, and here are just a few that you should be considering. 1. The website welcome video. Say hi and let people quickly know what you're about. 2. Introduce your team. We all like to do business with real people, so put names to faces. 3. Demonstrate how to use your product or service. 4. Client testimonials and case studies. Happy customers are your best advertisement, so use them. 5. Frequently asked questions. Answer the most common questions in video format. 6. The product or service overview video. 7. Behind the scenes video. People love to see under the bonnet. 8. The benefits video. Let people know what your product or service will do for them. 9. News and updates. Curate and share relevant information with your target audiences. 10. Employee training. 11. Follow-up support and training. 12. Industry commentary. Observe, comment and discuss trending topics. 13. Staff onboarding. 14. Inspiration, motivation, coaching and education. 15. For PR and social media. So, how many of the 101 uses are you using right now? Get your free online copy. And remember, the single most important strategy in content marketing today in 2018 is video, says Gary Vaynerchuk, one of the world's foremost social media experts. So would you like to learn the secret video creation tools used by top digital agencies and the likes of those brands you can see in the background? Learn to make professional videos in minutes with the Video Creation Fast Track, where you're going to learn more than 30 essential video marketing tools and resources. This is the world's first training which lifts the coveted lid on the complete range of insider tools and resources used by top marketers and agencies. Enjoy instant access at bit.ly/video creation fast track. That's bit.ly/video creation fast track.